What's up, you guys? It's a rainy day here in Eugene, Oregon. So yesterday I did half of the project. As you can see right above me, I already installed half the boards I need to do. And it came out pretty good, as you can see. And over here is the rest of what I have to do today that I figured we could all do together. And I figured I could show y'all, yeah, just how it's done. What's up, you guys? It's a brand new day. We had to stop yesterday because it was just torrential downpouring here in Eugene. So we spent all day yesterday just editing and stuff inside. But it's a little nicer weather today, so I'm gonna hop back into this deck ceiling construction project, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. What's up, you guys? I'm just gonna take a quick moment to show y'all how this tongue and groove works. You might already totally understand how tongue and groove works, and this is like super easy and simple for you, but to those who don't know, this is what's going on. So your tongue and groove has a tongue in a groove, and you literally just stick the groove in the tongue, and it appears to look flat like that, right? Just like that. And so when I put it up, I put a piece up, and then I nail with my finish nailer, 2-inch finishing nails, into the tongue. And what you do is you hit it right about here, and then the nail doesn't show. What's up, you guys? So the deck ceiling is completely finished. Well, we finished installing the redwood. So now I need to drill some 6-inch holes in the ceiling where I marked my recess lights. We just did the first one. Beep, beep, right there. And yeah, it came out pretty good. I'm really stoked to show you how I go about installing these guys. Let's get to work. Alright, y'all, so since this one has springs to install, I broke out my handy dandy needle nose pliers. I broke out my handy dandy needle nose pliers, and that's gonna help us just get this spring perfectly stretched out so that the flush piece fits flush on our hole. Let's do it. Super solid, flush against our tongue and groove ceiling. Let me grab the light bulb. And light bulb fits perfectly inside. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please, hit the like button and the subscribe button to follow along. I'm gonna try to drop a new video every Thursday. Every single Thursday, I promise. Have an amazing day, you guys, and go out there and do something awesome. Peace.